next we are going to see assignment operators. Assignment operators somewhat close to like arithmetic operators, but here we are going to assign some values and with respect to some operations. That's a whole assignment. Basically, assignment operators, the first one is simply like assigning some values to it. If we execute something 8, it's just a simple assignment. Okay, that's the assignment operators. And basically there are so much advanced operators available in Python. It's advanced assignment operators, where the first one is we are going to see like if I want to add something to the existing value. Here we have a x equal to 8, and if I want to just add one thing like x equal to 8 plus 1, okay, this will give me output as 9. Instead, okay, instead of these things, I can do a different way, where x plus equal to 1. This will do, right? This is equal to, this is same as this, same as x equal to x plus 1. Okay, instead of writing this, we are going to have this. What is that error? You have to be like both should be like there should not be any space. It's a combined equal. Okay, this will give you a proper output. If I say, if I just print the x, it will give previously it was added 1, and now it was added one more 1. So from 8 to 10. So this is how you can do more things. Like if I add like 2, it will give you 12. So this is how you can do addition assignment. You are making an addition to the existing assignment without having the variable to be the variable to be like creating a formula like that. Okay, and same to every other arithmetic symbols. Like if you are going for negatives, it is the same. We have discussed like plus, minus, multiplication, division, percentage, power, and flow division. It is the same operations. I'm going to give you like x minus equal to 2. It is going to be give x minus 2, right? So if I just print it here x, it is going to be 12 minus 2 equal to 10. That's a simple, right? If I'm going to do the same thing to multiplication, so I'm going to go quickly because it's very basic. Just if you're the very beginner, you never tried this before, just going to like do some try things, all those things. Okay, and I'm going to just multiply with 3. We have 10 into 3 equal to not 10, not equal to 3. In that case, it is going to give 30, right? So I'm going to print x, it is going to give 30. So it is the same. Now I'm going to divide by 2. Okay, in that case, I'm going to give equal to 2. In that case, it is going to be give 15, because 30 divided by 2, it's 15, right? It's 15.0 because it's as we saw now, division, it will give you the float exact decimal value. And next we are going to give power. Okay, x power equal to 2. In that case, it is going to give power. Okay, whatever the value we have, 15 power 225.0. This is also, you can do any number here. I'm going to go with a simple example so that you can understand the logic and the operations behind it, and you can apply it however you want. And x, I'm going to give modulus. Okay, modulus and equal to 2. I'm going to give 5 here. What will be the modulus? Modulus in the sense remaining. Here it will give you 0. Okay, let's print it. It's 0 because when you make when you divide this by 5, it is going to give 0 because it's exactly dividing it. There is no remainder. Now I'm going to give like 2. We will get 1 as a remainder because, okay, but is this not okay? Okay, previously x was 5, right? So I'm going to like, if I assign it 15, x equal to 225, because the reason is that x became 0, so you won't get it. Is the assignment is something like you're going to assign back to the same variable. So previously it became 0. If I try to do the reminder with a percentage, I won't get any value because it's already 0. If I now I'm going to give 225, and now if I try it, because it's 1, because it is going to give you the remainder, right? So next, finally, we'll go to flow division, where even I'm going to give the same thing like 225. Okay, again, and here I will do like floor division equal to 2. It is going to give us 225. What is the value? If I calculate it, 2, 1, and 25 is again 1, and I think 2, right? 1, 1, 2. That is going to be the value. X is 1, 1, 2, 3. So this is how it works. You know, this is a assignment operators. Assignment operators simply assign back to the original value with some with the arithmetic addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, four division with a particular value. This is the simplest way to do some quick assignment things, right? Without relying on without having creating without creating the formula with the same variable. We can do this. This is a this shortcut.